Hi! In this video, I'll teach you how to fix NVIDIA Installer Cannot Continue in Windows. So if you're having this trouble right here, then what you need to do is you need to open a new tab and then download this NVIDIA GeForce Experience, this specific version, which is the version 3.20.5.70. So you need to download that specific file right here, and in here you can see the file puma.com, and then just open that file. And then from that website, you can just scroll down and click on download right here in order to download that GeForce experience. So as you can see right here, the program is downloading, but it doesn't actually, as you can see, unverified download, so it has been blocked. So you need to open that and click on this download unverified file. So it will download the file for us. As you can see, it is downloading right now, so let's just wait for it. And then after it's done downloading, what we can do is we can open it from our file. So we can just head over and double click this one right here. And then this will open the file for us. So let's just wait for it. Click on yes. And then this will open the GeForce experience right here on our screen. After this is downloading, we can now see and install the NVIDIA for the Windows of our computer. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix NVIDIA Installer Cannot Continue in Windows. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!